Yo, what's up guys? Literally I just finished doing some stuff on the whiteboard. I'm trying to do a little bit of a different filming style for this one. If you haven't been keeping up on the channel, yesterday I finished I think it was 10-part filming series on dropshipping if you're really new to it. And honestly, coming up with content ideas surprisingly is actually really difficult. Like, it depends where you are. Like, if you're just getting started, there's certain stuff you need to talk about. If you're not, it's really difficult. So I'm having a bit of trouble with that. So pretty much I wanted to just make this video. I wanted to do something different and really just talk about something which I think a lot of people are confused about, or at least are asking about, which is, should you be running Facebook ads? Let me also just come out of here. Should you be running Facebook ads, or should you instead be trying to do something like Instagram influencer marketing, and kind of which one is the best to do? Instagram influencer marketing is essentially going and paying someone on YouTube with a really big following to make a post about your product and your store, and then Facebook ads, as I'm sure you know, is literally just running the ads. Now both have worked for the longest amount of time. So the question is, which one should you do first? Alright, so I literally just like walked out. That water looks ridiculously cold. Alright, never mind. So, which one is the best? In my opinion, it only makes sense today to do Facebook ads. So I don't think Instagram influence marketing is worth even trying at the moment. And I'll tell you why. You're not going to be able to build consistency. So you probably know this, but Instagram has literally hundreds and hundreds of accounts at the moment that have thousands of followers. It's really hard to tell which one is real, which one is fake, and kind of which is which at the moment, just on the way people are getting smarter at faking numbers. With Facebook, you can get really targeted, and also remember, it's about longevity. If you think about, if you make an Instagram post, right, even if you pay someone with a big following, after that, the post comes down. Yes, you may have made sales or you may not have made sales, but after that, you're done. I mean, that's the end of it. There's nothing else that comes after that. Whereas if you're running Facebook ads, you are building up data, which you can then take and scale into lookalikes, into custom audiences, and literally into tons more things. So I understand that if you're just getting started, Instagram may be slightly cheaper. That is something that you may want to think about in terms of the long run. But in my opinion, it's much better to make a little bit less money, but build something for the long term, than make, a bit more money, but then have kind of nothing to show for it if it doesn't work. So I just wanted to answer that question really quickly. I have to run out now. So let me know, please, down below, or a lot of people are sending me messages on Instagram. Let me know what kind of questions you want answered, and what you want me to make these videos about, and I will literally try and do that instead. But yeah guys, again, I'm gonna keep trying to do daily uploads. It's really difficult to like come up with ideas. I'm thinking of doing a live streams probably, maybe. So let me know also if you would even watch. I don't think I have enough subscribers, viewers at the moment, but it's definitely something coming. So yeah, whoever does watch this, I still appreciate it. It's amazing to see just the small amounts of growth. I'm literally waking up to like 20-30 subscribers every day, and then like 2 or 3 Instagram messages. So it's an insane feeling. I do appreciate all the support. A lot of people who know me have been sending me messages. So yeah, I appreciate it, and hopefully stay tuned for the next one.